class 10 and class 12. Last class what did I do? I told you what is a one-dimensional array and what is a two-dimensional array definitions. Then I told you initializing the array and declaring the array. Then we have done a program, an array where number of subjects find the total and average. That was the first program. Second program, group of elements will be there. You need to find the highest or the greatest number and the smallest number. So two programs are done. Here is a third program. It's called the searching. It's called as a searching. Program to search an element in an array by means of linear search. I will tell you what you mean by search. An array is what? Group of elements. I give an array, I am going to input and one more element I am going to input. See that this element is here or not. Because if it is 5 elements, we can see. Right? If there are 5,000 elements or 5 lakhs elements, same logic is applied. There are two different ways of searching. One is called as linear search. Another one is called as binary search. What do you mean by linear search? Linear means it starts taking from the 0th element till the last element of the array. If the matching is found, it says the search is successful. If the match is not found, then what does it say? The search is failure, means this element doesn't exist. Right? What do you mean by that? Linear search. Linear search means in this program I am using an array called as A where I have 25 elements. 25 elements I inputted and 26th element I gave. The 26th element I am asking, is it available here or not? What do I do? The 26th element and the 0th element I compare. If they are same, search is found. If they are not same, then go to the first element. Then go to the second element, third element. Keep comparing. The 26th element, the number to be searched, enter the number to be searched. You start comparing from the 0th element, first element, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, up to 25 elements. If the search is complete, if it is successful, then you say the element is found and their position. Did you find in 0th place, or did you find in 16th place, or did you find in 19th place? That needs to be true. So linear search, it has to search the entire array so as to say whether the element is present or not present. So this is the time consuming. The search technique is not that effective. Right? There is one more search. It's called as binary search. We will be doing the program in the next class. What is the difference between linear search and binary search? Binary search, the array what we give, in this case the array what we give are in a jumbled order. What do you mean by that? All the elements will be in a, not in a ascending order or not in a descending order or not in a alphabetical order. They are mixed bag. They are mixed bag. What do you mean by binary search? Which we will be doing next class, but still I will give the intro. Definition. What is a binary search? The array itself is well organized, is sorted out. Maybe in smallest to highest or highest to smallest. They are well organized. They are well organized. Now, what happens is, check whether your element is there in the first or first. Find the midpoint. Find the midpoint. Midpoint means there are 10 elements. Okay, this side 5 elements, this side 4 elements. Take the midpoint. If there are 12 elements or if there are 30 elements, 6 is there, 6 this side. Take the median or midpoint. Find out the number which I am looking for is in the first group or second group. This is a binary search. I will elaborate very detailed in next class. Now let's see what is the linear search. Linear search means the array what we give, it's in a jumbled order. Literally, that's the reason we call it linear. Literally from 0th element, keep comparing. The number which is given to the first zeroth element, first element, second element, third element, till the search is successful. The moment the search is successful, what you must say? The number has been found in 14th place or 19th place or 24th place. That position you must write. From 0 to 25, 24 elements I keep checking. The element is not there. Then what you must say? The search is a failure. Means that element doesn't exist. That element doesn't exist. Now here I say, program to search an element in an array by means of linear search. Linear search means the array what we are going to input is in a jumbled order. Because I am going to input, I require a Java dot utilities dot, because I am using scanner class. So Java dot IO, you can say utilities dot scanner or asterisk. What is last name is called as linear search. Here I have a method called as linear. Here there are two variables. This is meant for the for loop. I declare I as an integer and flag. If flag is 0, the search is unsuccessful. Sorry. If the flag is equal to 1, the search is successful. So I am using a variable called as what? Flag. Like I, A, B, C, D, X, I am using a variable called as flag, which is initializing as 0. I am creating an object for a scanner class called as INT. I declare an array called as A, which is an integer array. How many elements does it have? 25 elements. For I is equal to 0 less than 25, mind you. I start from 0 less than 25 means up to 24. 0 to 24. So enter the first element, enter the second element, enter the third element, fourth element, up to enter 25 elements it will ask you. There will be stored a of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4, A of 5, A of 6, up to A of 24. This is for inputting the array. And here where the search begins. Now you must enter a number called as n. This n you must go to check in this array whether they are available or not. Enter a number to be searched in the array. What that one is? N. This is where I am going to compare. Please have a look. The number what you gain, if n is equal to A of I. Please note, I value is 0. N and 0th element you check. If it is found, what you must do? Flag is equal to 1. Come out of the moment the search is true, it comes out. Then print that. If the search is not there, 0th element, first element, second element, it will keep repeating up to 24 elements. Whenever it finds, it comes down. What you must do is system dot out dot println. What you must say? Element present at one position. Element present at, if I value is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15 because y value always also 0. So element present at 15th position is. If the search is if flag is 0, where I should have checked. If flag is equal to 1, it says here else. If it is true, it will do it. Else, what does it say? System dot out dot println element. If flag is equal to 0 means what? the search is a failure. Means element does not exist. What do you mean by that? The element isn't there. Okay, I repeat again, boys and girls. The search, this question will come, class 10ers. Class 10ers, this question will come. You will have a 2-mark question. Distinguish, differentiate between linear search and binary search. Linear search means what? Looking for an element in an unsorted array is called as linear search, where the comparison is little laborious. It takes long time to search for an element. More comparisons, that's why it's not that effective. When it comes to binary, the array which has been given as an input is a sorted array, unlike this. This is unsorted array, this is sorted array. Here, you will not be checking all the elements, you are going to divide the group. Because they are sorted, they are put in a well-organized way. So, less comparisons in binary search and more effective way to look for an element, not the linear search, binary search. But they will ask you a 2-mark question in section 8. Distinguish between linear search and binary search. Linear search, you look for an element in an unsorted array where comparisons are more. It's not that effective. I will not say it's ineffective. It's not as effective than your binary search. What is a binary search is? You look for an element in a sorted array. A group of elements which have been arranged in an alphabetical order or in a ascending order or in a descending order. They say all the elements are arranged in a chronological order, where less number of comparison and effective way of searching an element. There are 2 ways of searching an element. One is called as linear search, another one is called as binary search. I have done a program, okay, which will look for an element in a linear search. Following class, I will be doing one more program. Both class 10ers and 12ers, you should know searching, sorting, then afterwards you should know by heart. These are all the very, very universal standard programs. Anywhere you go, you will be using this sorting program, searching techniques. These are the very standardized programs. Across the globe they use it. So you need to be both 10ers and 12ers. In particular 10ers, this program, there is every chance this program will strike in your board examination. May not be the linear search, but binary search might come in 2021. So copy down this program, boys and girls. Okay, this program and next program, you should be conceptually strong. You should know what is the searching. Searching means what? Looking for an element in an array. There are 2 classifications are there. One is called as linear search and another one is called as binary search. Linear search means what? Look every element in that array. If it is available, okay, then print that position. Okay. So linear search where the given array is not sorted. It's not sorted. Whereas in the array, the binary search where the given array is sorted in ascending order or descending order and alphabetical order. Okay, where comparisons are less in binary search, that's the reason it's very, very effective. Pause this video, boys and girls. Copy down this program. Okay. Class 10ers, you can refer this program in page number 188 or 199. Not the same program. They initialize the array, but here I inputted the array. Here I have slightly changed the program to suit our need. Okay, I did not do the same program. The concept is same. What is a linear? I wish all 10ers, boys and girls, should go through what is searching, what are the 2 different types of searching, linear search and binary search, which is there in page number 188 and 189. Class 10ers should write down this program. It doesn't mean that class 12ers should not know this. Okay, you should also know searching and sorting is a very, very standardized program across the globe. That too in the board examination, every alternate year this program strikes. So be prepared, copied on this, practice on this. Following class, I will be doing the binary search. Till then, take care boys and girls. Bye-bye.